Spacious 5-bedroom/4-bath home on 18 pristine acres with guesthouse. Gorgeous year-round mountain views and gentle laying land. The main home boasts an open floor plan with cathedral ceilings, a cozy fireplace, and a seamless flow between the living room, kitchen, and dining area, perfect for family gatherings and entertaining. 3 bedrooms/2 baths and laundry on the main level. Full finished basement with plenty of space. Step outside and enjoy the peaceful, quiet setting with a flowing branch and ATV trails, making it ideal for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. The estate includes 2 spacious storage buildings, screened porch, paved driveway, and 2 garage spaces for added convenience. As a bonus, there's a spacious 1-bedroom, 1-bath guest home on the property, perfect for guests or extended family. This serene estate offers the best of both worlds, luxury living with plenty of